All right, coming up next. All right, so as we get this stand-up only fight underway, just a quick reminder on the rule set: no grappling or wrestling of any type, and fighters also cannot follow up with ground strikes on the canvas. So if you knock your opponent down, you cannot follow up with strikes. Very important to point that out here at the beginning of round one. Now mixing one into the body.
Strong jab by Nate. He's doing a very good job of parrying and blocking all the shots that are coming towards his head.
Wow!
This could be it right here. Beautiful body shot there, too. Oh, look at this. Who saw that coming? Oh! This could be it.
Big body shot
to the body. That's it, he's out. And here's the end of the fight.